So if we want the upliftment of our organization and we are having the harmonious relationship with our management, then the individual must be ready to subordinate his interest to the general interest of the concern. Next principle we are having remuneration of the employees. Remuneration means पैसा. ठीक है, employees they are getting the salary. ठीक है, servants they are getting the wages also. ठीक है, so the treatment of the organization must be fair and equal to each and every person, those who are working in the organization. ठीक है, so that the employees as well as the workers they feel satisfied. ठीक है, like suppose in 1 year the company or the management they are getting the effective amount of the profits. ठीक है, so in order to boost up the morale of the employees as well as the workers, they can give the share of the profit, some share of the profit to the employees as well as to the workers of the organization, because they are working very hard for the upliftment of the organization. Because without employees and workers, organization is incomplete, and without the organization, employees and workers they are not getting the effective work also. Okay, so remuneration is the very important factor for the upliftment of the organization. Next principle we are having centralization and decentralization. Centralization means concentration of power. Okay, concentration of power. I have already told you authority is regarded as a power. It means concentration of authority at top level. That is regarded as the centralization. Means जब organization में हर कोई decision, ठीक है, कौन ले रहा है? Only the top management. There is no involvement of the middle as well as the lower level. It means that organization is fully centralized. ठीक है, and decentralization means that is when there is the distribution of authority to all the levels. That is regarded as the decentralization of the authority. हर एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या हो रही है? अथॉरिटी मस्ट बी इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. कुछ काम टॉप लेवल कर रहा है, कुछ काम मिडिल लेवल कर रहा है और कुछ काम लोअर लेवल कर रहा है, तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन. यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल. वी आर हैविंग टू टाइप्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, दैट इज लार्ज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन as well as the small organization. So if we are taking the example of the small organization, over there they are working with the centralized policy, and if we are talking about the large organizations, they are working with the policy of the decentralized. ठीक है, so this is the basic difference between centralization and decentralization. Concentration of power and authority in few hands, that is centralization, and concentration of power and authority, ठीक है, not in the few hands but it is evenly distributed to all the levels, those who are, we can say, those to all those employees, those who are working in the organization. So that is regarded as the decentralization. ठीक है, and rest of the principles today we have done near about 8 principles of management. Rest of the principles we will do in the next module. Thank you. Please go through these principles very attentively, because number of case studies can be framed on the basis of these principles. Thank you.